Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be playing extreme hide and seek with all the people up there. They will all be trying to, wait, no. I'm going to be looking for all of them. They will have different hiding spots, and if I find them in under, let's say, 15 minutes, then I get, no, if I actually find them in under 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes, I get, actually, I don't know what I'll do. But if I find them in under 30 minutes, I win. If I don't, they win, and they get a special prize that I'll show you at the end of the video if they win. So, let's go. Okay, guys! Alright, so you have...
Oh, wait. No.
I'm gonna
count... YouTuber, you're famous, right? I'm gonna take a picture of you. Smile. Say cheese.
Cheese!
How's this thing work?
Bro.
Hold the trigger.
Alright, you'll have 50 seconds, you have 60 seconds to hide, starting now. Ready or not, here I come. So, I didn't explain this to them, but I'm going to be using this. Jesus. Bro, why don't you over there? Okay, well, that's good. Alright, let's go. So... Wait, bro, where's that blue guy?
I've got barely any time to hide. That cool.
Can somebody please tell me what we get if we win?
It's a surprise! Yo, I low-key think
Super what?
it's in mines, or by the chicken.
Surprise, apparently.
Oh, alright.
Who was the guy wrong?
So...
Somebody's in minefield, and I know that because
He is like
someone is in
flying.
minefield.
He is like flying. Frick, the ogre's right there. What do I do?
Can they rat out?
Yeah, y'all. No, don't rat out, because if I can't find you in under 30 minutes, you win. There are ogres right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for him. Alright, let's go for someone else. If you're in the minefield, bro, I'm going for you last. That ogre's scary.
I might be cooked.
I actually don't see anyone else, so... Good sign. Yo! I see someone. I think they're, like, over here. Oh, wait, is that sewers? That's sewers. They're in sewers. They're in sewers. I gotta go find them.
No, I'm chilling. I got the best spot.
I think 30 minutes was
Has
up.
anybody been found? Yeah.
Nope! But I can tell you right now, someone's about to.
Everybody in 30 minutes.
Someone's about to be found!
Wait, I have the best hiding spot if I can get there without you guys finding. Is anybody near spawn? Because I am.
Bro, where is this guy? Bro, did you just hurt me? But I see you. You're not slick.
Nobody.
White has been found!
Where was? You should kill them.
Don't
Bro, they're still glitched. Bro, I can't die. This is the only way to die, not gonna lie.
If you guys know where I am, I'm near us.
I found one of like 5 people.
You found one person?
Yeah, he was in sewers. Yo, I heard a whoa from over here.
One down out of how many?
Whoa, how far are you in right now?
I see you!
How'd you find me?
I saw you grapple up there whenever I respawned.
What are you talking about, Nate?
And I heard your sister say like
I've
whoa or
come.
something.
Yeah, I fucked her.
Black has been found.
Anyway, I'm gonna leave now.
You found somebody?
Wait, can I help you seek?
I don't know.
Is that two down?
I heard a grappler. I just heard a grappler, bro. You're cooked. I'm hearing grapplers in all 4 directions. Nah, bro. I heard that. Oh wait, no, that's Black. I've already found you.
Our hiding spot. That's how hard it is to get to.
Blue, you're cooked. I'm coming to find you.
Who's cooked?
Blue. He's in the ogre place. And lucky for me,
Black, you did not see anything. I'm a better seeker, my man.
Why did nobody go that far? Like, I definitely did not just.
yo, bro, dude, someone just gave away everyone's hiding spot. He killed me and I saw everyone's hiding spot. It showed me everyone.
Wait.
Y'all are cooked.
Then come get us.
Imagine dying? Could never be me.
Bro, what are you doing?
How much longer do we have till we can claim the prize?
I mean, I already know where like all of you are, so you're
Someone's
cooked.
at the planetarium. Hey, yo.
Like Black's inside the mines. I see him. He's climbing.
Get him.
Black, I see you. Bro, stop hitting me.
Oh, my bad. I was just like trying to point.
I'm gonna. Pat.
Wait, so that's
Someone's in the planetarium.
only one left?
Stop!
Okay, fine, I'll go. Stay there. I'm gonna bring you a tablet, okay?
Bro, Black, you've been found. I see you. You're not slick.
Am I the only one left then?
Black, you're literally hooking around in the mines. You're not slick.
What do you call, like, a find? I see you? No, how about you have to kill...
If I see you.
Difficult. Especially if they have a grappler. Secret didn't have, like anything to help with. And, like, they're just gonna run and run and run and run and run.
By the way, y'all should all blame the other Black because he gave away all your spots.
And, I would say no grapplers. When did you say... What'd you say? When did...
Yo! Alright, from now on, no grapplers.
Yeah. Too bad, so sad.
If I catch you using a grappler, you're automatically out. I already found 2 and I already found Black. So I think there's like 1 person left.
I don't have a flashlight. I'm like, I can't find the exit.
Person left? What?
I think there's like 1 person left.
Then it has to be me and somebody else. I don't know. It's me. I haven't got found yet.
What color are you?
What color? Blue.
Oh, I saw you earlier, buddy. You went into the ogre place. I didn't want to go in there.
Why are you riding hiding out?
How much longer do we have?
I just went back into the map.
This better be a good prize.
Wait, I wasn't outside the map. I don't know what you were yapping about.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
This better be an insanely good prize, or else.
Bro, can you just tell us what the prize is before we can lock in?
Something OG or
Yeah, I can tell you it is something OG.
you can't give money or research.
Is it a red flashlight?
No.
I'll take it.
Bro, who is in shop?
Like I don't need an RP. Minutes.
Bro, I know you're in here. Whoever's in shop, I can't find you.
I mean, you can get me for free.
And for the ogre guy, art.
Is anyone else at the spawn tree?
If you're at the ogre, you're cooked.
I'm at mine.
Wait, I hear someone at the tree. With the grappler. Who is that?
Down and just like
What color are they? And what cosmetics do they have on?
That's where I'm sitting.
Boy, I know someone using a grappler. I hear it. There's no one here. They moved.
I'm at the spawn tree, come get me.
I literally was just that.
Nah, I haven't seen
I was definitely there.
your stuff. No,
This ogre's aim is dookie.
Pink broccoli. Even though I'm not eliminated, I'm really sneaky. I'm blending in so good.
Bro, I already found you.
You did not find me. I moved my spot.
You can't move spots, bro.
You know what? I honestly just let the person. Wait, who's still in?
Oh. I think only, like, blue.
So I won?
I think there's 2 people. They're at the spawn tree, and I don't know where they are. If you're a mod and you went inside that tan door, I swear I'm gonna punch you. They're this way.
Bro, I'm right here. I'm right here. Behind you.
how much longer for till time's
I'm like
over?
right on top of you. Where are you? Bro, whoever this is, they have the best hiding spot ever.
I literally see you, bro.
Where?
Me?
Yeah, bro.
No, I hear them.
I can see that.
Is the game over or no?
Nah, I'm trying to find this guy.
How many people are left? Just
I don't know.
Man, where is this guy at? Like, I'm standing waiting for him right here and shit, and he ain't here, man.
Oh, I'm right
Where
here.
are you? I was hiding right here.
I hate you. I literally hate you. That's weird. Oh.
But for a while, I was standing right here. I ate some broccoli and I shrunk really tiny.
Ah! What was that?
Wait, hold on. I know who he is. I know who he is. Wait, hold up. Wait, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it to him. Hold up.
Frick! The timer went off.
Let's go! Let's go! I
Oh,
did it!
where were you?
Bro, I was just watching you guys from right here. I was like this,
yo, what's the prize?
and I was also like this.
That's like
being
come to
really quiet
spawn.
like this. And for I went.
won the game.
I went in the ogre map, and then I went over here, and then so when I was, so you looked up right here, you looked up, and I was right there. I was right there, and I hit a little bit. There you go.
Oh, you were right there.
Yeah.
I was trying to find
Wait, give me the
black.
prize. Give me the prize.
All right, you two were the people who were like the what is it?
You didn't even
people-
find me. I just went out of the map and dropped down to the lava map.
Oh,
That's literally what I did.
What do you mean it's not fair? It's called how to win.
Wait,
You went to
we
the
both won.
mines.
You little pay to
And
win
And
people.
then
I think that's rarer if I just keep it.
I know you're not
If I
supposed to
just
open
keep it
them.
rather. What do they give me?
They are dookie, but they're rarer because they're blue crates and they're not in the game anymore. I forgot to do an outro again.